Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the limited edition Spyderco Yojimbo 2 in carbon fiber and 20 CV. So really interesting knife. It's got the thumb hole opener as well as the lovely compression lock, and always a great combination. So overall length is 7.5 inches and the blade length is 3.25. Like I said, it is 20 CV steel. Now the handles are 4.5 inches in length, and they are not a carbon fiber composite. They are full carbon fiber with stainless steel liners, which is nice to see, because a lot of times you'll see like carbon fiber kind of laminated on top of D10, which is, there's nothing wrong with it, but it is cool to see, full carbon fiber knife that, because it keeps the weight way down, which is always a plus for EDC uses and purposes. Overall weight is 3.96 ounces, and for a knife this size, I think that's pretty reasonable. Here's your tactical clothespin for size comparison. And you've got a pocket clip that is 4-way reversible. That's what it looks like. So it is going to poke out quite a bit from your pocket, and that is about what you will end up seeing. So that's in the tip up configuration. In the tip down configuration, probably something like that will be poking out of your pocket. But this is a nice knife. It's got a good ergonomic feel to it, and I think you will love it. But buy it while you can because it's limited. This is the Spyderco Yojimbo 2.